Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an Excel table. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Analyzing related portion of data is easier if you create and use a table in Microsoft Excel. A table allows you to segregate data on a single sheet that you can then manage separately from the rest. So here's in this video I will show you how to create data, table for your data on your Microsoft Excel. So first of all, you can open your Excel, of course, and you can choose on your document that you want to create the table. As you can see in here, there's no table for this data. If you want to put table on this data, you can go to the menu bar on the insert, click on insert, and you'll find there is an option table. You can just click on that, click on OK. So now you have table for your data on your Excel document. And then here you can customize your table, like you can change the color, you can choose the color that you like. Here's the data table style that you can use on your Microsoft Excel data table. And you can also choose the table style option. You can add the total row. You can bold the first column, or you can bold the last column. You can just checklist in here, or you can bend that column. You can remove the filter button in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create an Excel table on Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.